skincare is just for adults. Truth is, healthy skincare should start at a young age. That's why I, Aaliyah Marie, made AM Sweetness for young girls. My handmade products are made with natural ingredients and are gentle on young girls' skins. AM Sweetness has all the products that young girls need to take care of their skin. From cleansers to face masks and lip balms, we got you covered. Healthy skin comes from healthy skincare habits, good products, and daily routines. But AM Sweetness is more than just skincare. We want girls to know the importance of taking care of themselves inside and out, but while having fun doing so. So go check out my products on my website, amsweetness.com, and come join my channel, AM Sweetness Beauty Lounge, where we show products, beauty tips, and routines. Hope to see you there, and remember, clean skin is healthy skin.